service, and there's certainly been good service today. I've done exactly the same route that matter of money not too long ago with Qantas in their Dash 8s, so not only wearing their aircraft and things, but on the same route, same time, same schedule. And now you can see we're coming into the Kingsford Smiths on the east-west runway. Not sure, 30 something left by the looks of it, but we're back over the eastern coast of Australia, coming into Sydney over Botany Bay, Cornell, that type of area, although Cornell's more to the right hand side. We're on the left hand side of the plane, but still see some installations below us there. So we'll just let you sit back and see what sort of landing we make in this Saab 340 out of Sweden, running a RPT, regular public transport route from Coffs Harbour in New South Wales CFS to Sydney International Airport SYD, and this is an August flight 2024. So we're over Botany Bay. Unfortunately the clouds come in, the fog a little bit more, but might be able to see through it, certainly when we land, hopefully. Otherwise we'll do an instrument landing. And we'll just throw it in there for comparison to, yes, we do use ocean liners, same period of time, Southampton, UK to New York on the Queen Mary 2. So, a bit of a comparison. Here we are, we're just coming in now over Mascot, Sydney International Airport, and we're on the 36 left, I think it is. We'll just see how the touchdown goes. We're over the threshold, there's Dash 8 in the background there, and a nice smooth landing there. And now we're going to brake heavily to slow the aircraft down and get it off the runway to let those other aircraft that you saw on the left there get onto this runway. No, we're on the right hand runway, sorry. I thought we were on the left hand runway, but I see a plane taking off over there in the background, so obviously it's the other one. Looks like it's fairly miserable weather here in Sydney. It's not actually raining at the moment, but the runway's quite wet. Very nice landing there. And a very smooth flight considering the weather all the time. By activity, we're turning onto off the main runway. You'll see behind us there. That's where we just came in. You can see a Qantas flight taking off immediately, probably about the middle of the photo.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sydney. Please remain seated with your seatbelt firmly fastened until the aircraft comes to a place so that the captain switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. As this aircraft may be refueled upon arrival, please ensure that all electronic devices, including mobile phones, remain in flight mode and must not be used whilst disembarking the aircraft or crossing the tarmac. Smoking, vaping and electronic cigarettes are strictly prohibited in any Australian airport. Please take care when opening overhead
jet there and a Dash 8 lined up, ready to get out the runway.
For those passengers who have connecting regional flights, please remain in the terminal past your security screening and then check the monitor for your departure gate. For those of you who have other connecting flights, please head upstairs, pass your security screening and then check the monitor for your departure gate. On behalf of Captain Pete Martin and your crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with Rex today and look forward to your company when you next choose to fly. Please also remember to hold on to the hand railings when disembarking the aircraft. We hope you have a lovely day in Sydney or wherever your travels may be taking you. Thank you.
And you notice there, no welcome to country, because why would I want to be welcome to my own country? I'm indigenous to the country, so I definitely don't want to be welcome to my own country. I'm not an interloper or an overseas tourist. So this is mascot of Sydney International Airport, the only international airport at the moment in Sydney. There is no one being built in Western Sydney. Won't be operational for a few years yet. Now we're heading over towards Terminal 2, Terminal 3, as descent from Terminal 1, which is to the left there, the international one. Coffs Harbour and lots of other routes, then you might like to use Link, a small regional airline, rather than giving your business to all the big boys. A good view there of Dash 8 taking off. From Coffs Harbour CFS to Sydney International Airport SYD. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, add your comments about flights, international travel and other items that you might want to comment on this video.